bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And in today's video, you're going to learn the 7 benefits of learning Español. ¿Listo? Vamos. Okay, so the first benefit of learning Español is that it makes you more culturally aware. How? Well, by learning Spanish, it's providing you with an insight into local customs, traditions, and the values of the country that you're travelling to. The second benefit of learning Español is that it's great for your brain. It delays the onset of Alzheimer's, it helps your memory, and it helps you focus better. The third benefit of learning Español is that it makes you a more critical thinker. Well, what does that mean? Okay. It means that you can form an opinion rationally, like an informed opinion. And once you have an informed opinion, it means you can engage independently in conversations. The fourth benefit of learning Español is that, of course, you have improved communication skills by enhancing your ability to see things from somebody else's perspective. It also forces you to take a closer look at how you use your native language as well. The fifth benefit of learning Español is that it increases your tolerance levels, especially your tolerance of the unknown. And it does this by opening your eyes to a different way of doing things, in a way that's different to your own. And that's called cultural competence. Now, who doesn't want to be culturally competent, right? And it increases your comfort levels. So your comfort zone. So you get used to being in a certain, living a certain way. And when you learn a new language, you can start to push those comfort zones further and further. The eighth benefit of learning Español is that it increases your job possibilities. By knowing a second language, and not just Español, any language, gives you a significant advantage over other prospects. And the seventh benefit of learning Español is that it helps you save money when you travel. You might be wondering how. Let me put it into context for you. So, when you travel to a Spanish-speaking country, if you know the language, you're able to communicate and talk with the locals, and you'll get that local knowledge, which means that you'll have more of an insider experience and have access to things that you wouldn't usually have. I'm talking about different prices, different experiences that are off the tourist track, and that always saves you money. So there we go, 7 benefits of learning Español. There are loads more, but we're just going to cover 7 for today. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.